Picture a man who, starting with a mere $5,000, amassed a colossal fortune of $100 million. A man whose wealth would be tantamount to a staggering billion in today's economy. This extraordinary person is Jessie Livermore, a figure so enigmatic and captivating that his tale belongs in the world of fiction rather than the dry ledgers of stock trading. His journey, a tumultuous roller coaster ride of breathtaking ascents and devastating plunges, was punctuated by stunning triumphs and calamitous failures. Born in the quaint town of Massachusetts in 1877, young Jessie found himself thrust into the bustling world of finance at the ripe age of 14, scribbling quotations at a brokerage firm in the heart of Boston. While his peers were engaged in the carefree pursuits of childhood, Jessie was thrown into the dizzying whirlwind of the financial market. As he stood amidst the frenetic flurry of traders, he began to unravel the cryptic language of market patterns and price movements. By the tender age of 15, this young prodigy, free from his humble beginnings and ventured into the world of trading on his own. He became a regular at infamous bucket shops, shadowy establishments that allowed bets on the shifting sands of stock and commodities prices without actually owning them. His almost mystical knack for predicting these tremors in the market, these subtle ebbs and flows, earned him the moniker Boy Plunger. Each win, each loss, a heart-pounding thrill on the exhilarating journey of a lifetime. Livermore's first major achievement came in 1907, during the panic. He shorted the market and walked away with a cool $3 million. But this triumph was soon followed by a crushing defeat. He lost his entire fortune in the aftermath of the San Francisco earthquake. It was a hard lesson on the volatility of the market. But Livermore was not one to be easily defeated. He rebuilt his fortune, only to lose it again in 1912. He went bankrupt twice, but each time he fought his way back, learning valuable lessons along the way. In 1929, Livermore made a trade that would go down in history. Amidst the hustle and bustle of Wall Street, he noticed signs of an impending market crash. Most traders were blissfully unaware, but Livermore, with his keen understanding of market patterns, saw the storm brewing. He decided to short the market, a move met with skepticism and disbelief by many of his contemporaries. But Livermore stood firm, trusting his analysis and predictions. And then the unthinkable happened. The market crashed, just as Livermore had predicted. While many lost everything, Livermore's bold decision paid off. His account swelled by $100 million, a fortune in those times. This trade marked the peak of Livermore's career, showcasing not just his understanding of market patterns, but also his boldness in taking calculated risks. It was a move that would forever etch his name in the annals of trading history. After the historic trade of 1929, Jessie Livermore returned home. The old wooden door creaked open to reveal a household in chaos. His mother-in-law, with her hands clasped to her chest, was screaming in disbelief. The magnitude of Livermore's success was beyond her comprehension. The house, usually filled with the quiet hum of everyday life, was now a whirlwind of shock and awe. Livermore's children stared wide-eyed, unable to grasp the enormity of their father's unprecedented achievement. His wife, standing in the doorway, looked at him with a mix of awe and fear. This scene, in stark contrast to the clinical precision of Wall Street, captured the personal side of Livermore's trading career, highlighting the impact of his decisions on his family life. Amidst the chaos, Livermore remained calm. His eyes, usually sharp and focused, softened as he looked at his family. This was his home, his sanctuary, the place that grounded him amidst the tumultuous world of trading. And in this moment of chaos, we see a testament to Livermore's character and resilience. Despite the storm, he stood firm, just as he did on Wall Street. His calm amidst the storm was a testament to the man he was, a trader, a risk-taker, but above all, a family man. In the immediate aftermath of the homecoming, amidst the whirlwind of emotions, Livermore had a crucial conversation with his wife. He looked into her eyes, filled with a mix of awe and fear, and revealed the full extent of their newfound wealth. This was not just the result of a successful trade, it was a life-changing fortune. His wife, initially in shock, took a moment to gather herself before going to calm her mother and the children. As she moved through the house, a sense of calm began to settle in, replacing the initial shock and disbelief. The family, one by one, began to process the magnitude of Livermore's success. The children, wide-eyed and curious, asked questions about their father's trade, their innocent minds attempting to understand the enormity of it all. This moment marked a turning point for the Livermore family as they began to grapple with their new reality. Their lives, once ordinary, were now irrevocably changed by the historic trade of 1929. But amidst the chaos, one thing remained constant: Livermore's calm and composed demeanor, a testament to his character, both as a trader and a family man. Livermore left behind a set of trading rules, now considered a Bible for many traders. His strategies, like the pivotal point theory, continue to influence modern trading. His life serves as a reminder that in the world of trading, fortune favors the bold, but only those who understand the market and respect its power can truly succeed. Jessie Livermore's story is more than just a tale of a talented trader. It's a story of resilience, of triumph and failure, of lessons learned and fortunes made and lost. His impact on trading is immeasurable, and his legacy continues to inspire traders around the world. Voiceover. As theatrical as his trading career, Jessie Livermore's life was peppered with personal battles that often mirrored his professional struggles. Behind the glamour of his trading triumphs, Livermore grappled with depression and personal issues, a side of his life that remained hidden behind market headlines. In a tragic turn of events, Livermore ended his own life in 1940. The news of his suicide sent shockwaves through the trading world, a sobering reminder of the immense pressure and emotional toll this profession can exert. His family, left to grapple with the loss, bore the brunt of his tumultuous life and tragic end. Livermore's demise serves as a stark reminder of the highs and lows that come with the trading world, a poignant testament to the fact that fortunes can be made and lost, not just in the market, but in the game of life itself. His life and death continue to be a cautionary tale for traders, underlining the importance of mental health and balance in a profession often dominated by risk and reward.